This is Jamestown Podcast, your favorite fucking podcast in the whole fucking world. Excuse me. This is podcast number 196. Maybe. Anyway, I spent 9.5 hours from 7:30 all the way to whatever time. Calculate 9 hours and a half plus 7:30 a.m. And then you'll get the answer of how long I've been working on this update for an app. I had to do the whole fucking app over again. It sucked. I did the whole app and it's functional. I could actually put it on there and they could put it on there, but it would look stupid. Because there's some changes need to be made, but it does crash at one place because they did put my thing on there when it was crashing. I don't know why. Maybe they were like, he needs to check. Apple, their guidelines are so fucking strict. Just passing to get an app on the store is fucking incredible. And I've done it 4 times. If I had apps done right now, which I could have had done already, that better computer, this one's been so slow because I had to do each one by one. And you just leverage AI to do everything fucking for you, but you got to learn how to code because you got to read the code. And I guarantee you that's one of the damn UI and UX design. There's going to be so many more jobs in the future. I looked at the statistics and the prediction analysis for 2025 to 2030. No, 2025 to 2026 or 7. A huge, 35% increase of UI UX design. More virtual reality type. Talking about going on Unity or Unreal Engine and having at it. Just design whatever the fuck you want to. And I think robots will handle more shit for us so we can kind of focus on self instead of focusing on the tasks that we don't need to do. If we can make shit do it for us that are very fucking tedious fucking things. Everything. If you like doing it, do it. If you don't work with a robot. When you could do what the hell you wanted to do when you were younger. You can make it actually really happen now. You can see everyone's breaking free from the Matrix. Because the Matrix is fallen. They can't do anything about it. I see a left-wing party that won't accept the truth that they failed and lost. I knew that they were going to be roped because we don't, Hollywood people are like, fuck you. Just come over to the east side. There's more gold over here. Y'all going over there sacrifice your fucking lives. The ones that are mainly from the mainlands of those places. Y'all's families, mine even, we had to eat each other. We were part of the Donner Party family, like the main people. We tracked it down with Ancestry and other things too, before that Ancestry came out. Because we have so many documents within my mom's side, and my father's, but my mom's, the Donner Party, they ate themselves. They had to be cannibals because they got so goddamn hungry. There's nothing out there in the fucking frozen snow in the mountains up in the Rockies. So I believe Rockies, yeah. No wonder. The south of it, but still, it's really fucking bad. But y'all can just look up the Donner Party and think of me. I'm serious because close family members that became my family were part of that. The last one that survived. The one that ate the other one. Was it sexual eating or actually physically fucking actually eating somebody? Like you're eating chicken. You know what I mean? I think I just saw a ghost. Anyway. Part of being the Donner Party is pretty fucked. Just gotta finish this app update. I thank God it's running. It's crashing so much. And I'm gonna work on my other ones because the only way out of here is the apps. And that piece of stupid fucking paper that you gotta do, go to college, get the piece of paper, thank you, what the fuck ever. Thanks for wasting my fucking time for 4 years. Actually 8, 9. I've done 8 years of college now and I'm done with it. Or 9 years. Yeah, I could have my doctorate. I don't know what the fuck I didn't go do that for. Because I saw entertainment rising too, and entertainment and tech are like both tied. 50-50. I looked. Now tech is like 64 and the other one's like 47. 40, I mean, not 47, 46. It's fucked up. Excuse me, that's 36. 36% entertainment now. It's kind of like a 40-60. It's like a 40-55. It's like a 40-60, yes. Tech 60, 40s entertainment. But they kind of start tying together again. And they tie together anyway. Because they use the Unreal Engine all the fucking time. With movies. It's cool as shit. I wish I was doing it. Because I know how to use that engine. Because of my school made me, and I did not know you could use it on a Mac. And I had the slowest fucking Mac in the world. Still built the game. It was incredible. I'm serious. The game was pretty incredible that I made. It's all 3D. It lagged, but it was so fucking badass. Creating games is even longer of a process. But ChatGPT, when I first started using it, not like 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, I found out that Unity was something that it knew so much. The Unity game engine, the Unity engine. It's not just games, it's engineering. Well, that is engineering. Game engineering. Engineering is putting something together and making it work. Putting parts, shit together, and yes, it is. So I am a software engineer. Look at my level. Let's just ask ChatGPT about my data. Based on my data, how do I score? I score as a iOS engineer. It said lead and principal. Let's see what it says this time. It's pretty cool. Cortland. God bless. It's so fucking humid out here. Walking. Your broad software engineering background includes UI engineering, which is so fucking fun. It's my favorite. Database engineering is the back. Scalability, I'm actually impressed. How many impressions do we have? 323 or 4 or 2 or 323, I believe. Already, and it just got released not long ago, before the class ended. Now, these are harder, like CinemaSync, like a media synchronization app, and then we got Wallflower AI, which is an AI-powered wallpaper generator. And then the Actors Coach app, interactive AI-powered acting coach, which analyzes and listens and it analyzes the whole fucking thing of your audition or lines audition. Interactive is like a practice. Interactive storytelling app. Swift UI immersive experience. And I don't know why it didn't add Tab Genius to this shit, but it knows my company. Game development experience, Netflix engineer. I don't know why it keeps saying that. I would love to work there. Potential growth areas. Advanced Swift concurrency, if not already mastered. Metal and Core ML. Why am I not using it? Well, I'm kind of a little anxious to. The verdict: senior to staff iOS engineer. Your skill set, real world projects, and industry experience place you at the senior iOS engineer level. I got it. Potentially staff engineer, depending on your expertise in iOS architecture, which is reading the framework and all the code base of the whole fucking thing, and the patterns, deepening iOS architecture patterns, which is true. I do need to use Viper. I know of these things. I forget to use them because I'm like, well, I'm working on this app and I don't really need to use this right this second, but I could later. I need to do the update first because it's not even working right now and it's on the App Store. So the verdict is I'm a senior iOS engineer. Would you like me to recommend any next steps to optimize your iOS career trajectory? Trajectory. Say that 10 times fast as humanly possible. I swear to God, you won't make it. 10 times. Yes. All right. Well, Mom should know the truth by now. It could say principal because it didn't mention Tab Genius, so that one's a little more difficult than of what I've actually tried to implement. And I could have implemented it, and it's just something fucked up that wasn't it. I got to fix the tuner. Thank God it says dismiss. It's generating artwork weird, and it's not giving me any fucking answers. Would you like me to recommend... Okay, here we go. Optimizing your iOS career trajectory to push beyond the senior iOS. Tucker Carlson. Are that many people born gay? No. They're trendified the fucking hell and back in the masses of these cities and outer areas. In the rural areas, it's all good. For some reason, we still stand our values. But in these big cities, they spread this misinformation, bullshit, fake shit, like a pansexual and a heterosexual and this sexual and that. How many more are we going to fucking add? I'm heterosexual. That's why I said that secondly. Should have been firstly. It's just the girls around here, there's none. And plus, there's zeros. Zeros and threes of levels out of 10 of the looks. I saw one yesterday. She was a 6. But I usually have 10s. I'm serious. Holy shit. So, yeah. They choose because they start feeling an emotional feeling. And their retreat is to one of those sectors of being like a... shit. Hate to say this. Transvestite. They get misled by people. You know, they might feel the way they feel, but they can't do... I feel horrible as fuck every fucking day, but I can't do anything about it. I'm not going to say I'm going to suck his dick because I'm not gay and then go gay. It's just fucked up. So let's get back to the, mine's explicit. I like it this way because it's more personal. If everyone could talk at this level, or any level, it doesn't matter what level you speak. And if you have a 0 level, just think about your level of speaking, your vocabulary, and how you speak. Because professionals do give a fuck. And I would never speak this way to a professional. I never have. Give a fuck. Only if they're cool and I start befriending them. They're around my age and we're like, fuck, damn it. Let's fix this. And, I'd be like, at my company, I'd be like, hey, yeah, go ahead and curse. If something makes you pissed off, do that, but don't curse at each other. That's cursing upon somebody. Really. So, and how people get so sensitive when you say, fuck you. I mean, I've seen my father get so sensitified because his ego's down, and it's not his fault. Papa did it. Everyone that's fucked him over, he gets copied. Their actions and put it against other people. That's how fucking unbelievably smart and masterful that guy is. And he's changed. I want to tell Mom more. Thanks for fucking not getting over, dickwad. They don't know how to drive them that much. I almost got hit by one. I don't know why. What do you want, bae? I was flirting with that chick. Something popped up on Facebook, whatever. It's a long time ago. Don't really give a shit. You're like a 5. Or a 4. Master Swift concurrency. Actors async await task groups. This is digital shit. This is talking in programming language. Profiling the instruments. Memory leaks. CPU performance. I gotta look at more. Especially with these AI apps. Because if it generates slow, that's not good. Generates really quickly. People are like, hell yeah. At least have a timer. Like 10, 9, 8, or 5, 4, 3. You can put like 3, 2, 1. And time each number to come up at a certain time. To end on the generation time, you gotta count yourself. And then tell AI. If you want to use AI, you can go in there and do it yourself. You can tell AI. Custom UI and advanced anim. Bullshit. Well, I've been trying to push beyond it, but you hadn't helped me. Explore metal for high performance graphics. This whole time. Swift package manager. Interoperability with C++ and Rust. For performance critical tasks, which C++ and Objective-C was like the main goddamn language that they coded the whole fucking computer with Windows and Mac. C and C++. Hold on. Let me check this weather. How's y'all's weather? How's the weather over there? I hate when they say that shit. Because I know it's a fake thing. It's just what they have to say. Because every single one said it. It was a certain company I had to call, and it was funny as shit. They were nice as hell, but they had to on purpose. You received an incorrect email. It might not even be them. I can't change my cosigner. She sucks. I don't give a shit about her. If I could talk to Elon Musk, he would help me. What I know. Can Bitcoin replace Tesla? How about Tesla creates their own crypto? Oh shit. Is this my error rate? View incident. So this is like partially working for OpenAI, like a fourth. No, I would say a half. You're working for AI, but you're not investigating it, but you get to see the updates. Because what the fuck is an RCA? If you ask somebody randomly, it's an RCA. No, I'm talking about OpenAI, artificial intelligence. What's an RCA? They wouldn't know. I wouldn't even know. Now I do. Root cause analysis. Everything's an acronym now. You can tell by handles, usernames, at this, mention her, follow that follower, mover, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. That's why we've identified that users are experiencing elevated errors for impacted services. I know. All impacted services have now fully recovered. The detailed root cause, RCA, will be published in the next 5 days. Is this on me? Degraded performance resolved. Or is it ChatGPT itself? Oh. They're just telling me what the hell they've seen. I don't want to subscribe to updates because I don't really care about them. It works for me fine. We'll go off. Hell fucking no. I'll never go to a grocery store again. I need to work at Tesla. Dickwads. I'm serious. Are you still getting emails at... No, I'm not. You scammer. Shit tons of scams. Scam. We have no Yankee in our family. Only if someone married one. I don't have a different cosigner. I might just have to ask John next door. This is so serious, dude. Where is he? College is starting so fucking soon. We can't figure the fuck it out. No way. Nah, that won't help me at all. Nope. I'm not trying to stay around here. I'm gonna get out of Georgia. Actually, Daddy said the same fucking thing. I can't believe he did. I'm tired of it. Let's just go somewhere new for a second. Startup company? Fuck no. No sales. I don't give a shit if it's 11,500. I don't think so. I will fucking be on painkillers again. Anything. I'll be on. I bet I would be on fucking cocaine. My invoice. 2 of them. I don't know what the hell this. Oh, there's an AI for that. I can outsmart anybody. Daddy can with like medications. He's looking that up. He's obsessed. People get obsessed. Yes. I know Python and AWS. I know all the languages because I forced myself to learn them all over the past 7 years to 8 or 7. That's a long time. And I've been waiting on the job this whole time. Just fucking weird to say. I mean, not waiting, putting in thousands of applications. And I'm like, fuck. No junior. It won't make sense. I'll be bored. And no, I can't be in Atlanta. It has to be remote. So I can go anywhere I want. It pays a good fucking amount. I'm looking for 200 master's degree. I should just get it. Objective-C, design pattern. I know most of this shit, yes. That's required, so I know this. I have apps out. Go look at them. Hold on. Let me make an update. It won't take me like a week. I'm almost done. Design, build, maintain our iOS app, and I'm the main dude. Issues and debugging problems using appropriate tools. Collaborate. I need to get that computer fixed. I need that loan. Get it done. Credit bureaus. You fucking unions. See? Unions are bad. They're fucking horrible. They'll kill you. They're like the mafia. Don't ever join one. I mean, UPS is so fucked up. Collaborate with team members to refine features. Hell yes. Input from stakeholders, which is someone that I have the app and that uses the product. Work with design and product teams to build high impact features. Hell yeah, give me what the hell you want to add, and I'll add it as fast as humanly possible. And if we all do it together, we can really fucking do it faster. You just gotta use GitHub. Don't know you, bro. Bachelor's or master's degree in computer science. I pretty much passed my master's in hours. I mean, I should have got my fucking doctorate by now. It's not gonna ever end, I guess. School. I just work and do school. It's simple as shit. I wait till the last day anyway. When you get older, you do get smarter. Your IQ does fucking raise. And then it goes down again. Like a baby. Up and then down. What goes up must come down. Right? Experience with core data, Objective-C. I've used a lot of that. Especially if you're going through plugins. But I don't like that job. I don't like it at all. None of these are going to be legit. LinkedIn. Now it's a promotion fucking platform. I don't like it either. No startups, man. No startups. That West Palm Beach one, give me the damn job. I'd rather get, you see, senior iOS developer upgrades. Fuck yes. It's perfect. I know exactly what I'm doing. Yes. No. I'll move in like a month. I'll be out of here. Open the United States, not Canada. They're pissy about the tariffs and they should calm down. Make it equal. We've done something so long they got used to it. People hate change, but then they start getting used to it. Sort of like around where I live. You know how the projected a population to come to Greene County at the lake we have, Lake Oconee, fucking hate this place. 1.19 million people. So 1.2 million expected and more. I bet now. That was a year ago. Or 8 months ago or something like that. I looked that up for a second. My current location is Atlanta. I always put that because that's the closest. I'm not going to an ATM. I don't need to. We don't need to use that. We can use Cash App. Boom, done. Quicker sell drugs. AI is doing it for us. We'll get our AI robot to fucking go down the road for us. It's running. And it's faking out the cops because I programmed it to. Yay, I get money now. Or I get this job at Text Now. That'd be cool. So we believe in communication that belongs to everyone. So tell me about yourself. What? Is that a question? Skip it. Next. Fit. Match. I applied. Hold on. Follow. University of Washington. He has 322 connections just like me. And he's hiring. Fuck. I'm about to be hiring. After I get 4 more apps on there, I got to get someone else to maintain some of the updates. And going on App Store Connect, I give you access. We're skating to how to goddamn do this. I'll teach him. All he has to do is go, OpenAI. Grok's pretty fucking powerful. Suit is so powerful that it will like fuck up your. I have to go to ChatGPT to correct it all. And then once it started with the basics, you got to start at the basics. If you want to go from scratch, or you can go to GitHub and grab a suppository. That way. And then build upon that and change assets and all that shit. Digital assets, Anyway, podcast is over. Jamestown out. Peace.